Welcome to The Source 60 seconds of social media helping take your business to the next level in the modern world. Creating a cover for your reel is easier than you think. You can do all of this in Canva yourself. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a design. Now, Canva doesn't have a cover for a reel template. However, they do have Instagram story templates. So we can select an Instagram story template. If you don't see it in the list here, you can always search it as well. Once we go to create a new Instagram story, we can choose any of the templates on the left-hand side, or if we have a design that we want to create on our own as well, we can always pull in elements, text, and photos. You're able to create your design. You're able to share and download just as a regular photo. So once I've downloaded the photo from Canva and I've sent it over to my phone via text or email, I'm now able to upload it from the photos on my phone. I'd be able to just tap Edit Cover, Add from Camera Roll. I would select the photo. I can choose to adjust the profile grid for how it will show up on my profile and tap Done. And that's all for this month on The Source.